Shalom. My name is Reuven Weinreb. I'm originally from Brooklyn, New York, Yeshiva Chaim, Berlin. I live now in Tzfat, in the old city right now. And one question that keeps coming up to me is that we're told that we're in the door of Mashiach. Chaim Kanievsky Shlita says it. Many Gedolim say it. And we learn out that in the door of Mashiach, that a lot of our Rabbanim, Chashem Tifkele plus Satan, is going to be heretics. They're going to go against the Torah. And so who do we trust? How do we trust? Well, for one, is when someone doesn't go against Torah, and it's not something completely like, it can't be, then okay, so you're allowed to, you can trust him if this is someone that's knowing. But if you see a Rav and he starts to speak things against the Torah, or against what the Torah ideas that we know to be true, so obviously you can't trust him anymore. You have to be very careful. We're not sheep. We have to look into things and look into the person, especially in our days. We see all this maisvus going on by so-called good people, caring people. Maisvus, they're gonna go. There's no. You're not allowed to meiser. You're not allowed to call the police. Under certain strict circumstances, you can, but okay, that's for a different time. Anyways, I wanted to speak to you about Rabbi Shepherd. He's an amazing Rav from Har Zion. How did I come to know him and trust him? I don't know him super well, but I know him. He's a Rosh Hashiva. He gives shirim. I've seen Rabbanim that I trust and know come to him for Pidyon Nefesh, and I wanted a Pidyon Nefesh. When I saw this, I said, so now I know I can come to him. But I did my homework. I looked. I saw who came to him, which Rabbanim came to him, were people that I know and trust, people that I've grown to love. And therefore, I have to say, he's someone that I would trust after doing my homework and checking into him. We should all be zoche to emes and the geula b'karov, not only psuas tayvis, kol tov.